Hello my paper crafting friend, welcome to this edition of Paper and Joy. Today we are going to be making this confetti card. So sort of boy themed, sort of blues and oranges and blacks in this one. So on the inside, some more confetti features. So hopefully like that. Alright, let's go and check out what's in your kits and get crafting. Okay, so in your kit you will receive your card base, which has a pre-printed happy birthday on it, an envelope, and also some of the confetti. So we've got some blue tones, orange, and then this is like just a sort of paper tissue confetti. And then you will also need a scrap piece of paper for gluing and a glue stick. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by just placing our confetti on our card to see what looks good. So I've given you about 3 of each of the sizes and then I think 4 of the little tissue ones. So we're going to save some for inside. So maybe that one, and you can choose, it doesn't matter. And maybe a tissue one. There we go. Okay, so that's what I'm going to reserve for my inside. So then just, you don't have to use them all. Lay them sort of out randomly as if it's sort of, you know, sort of the card is supposed to be sort of like it's sort of throwing confetti over the happy birthday. So just random, oops. Okay, yeah, can have one like that. Until you're happy. Wondering whether I just give the words a bit of space, just so they're a bit more obvious. There we go. What do you think? All right, how's yours going? All right, and then we just start gluing. So I will see when you are done. The only thing I'm going to say is, so these are a heavier paper, so you know, reasonably durable. Obviously the tissue paper is quite delicate. So when you are gluing that, just be careful. Just sort of rub it lightly on the glue stick. Oops, it's not even rubbing. Pop it on and try to peel it off. I'm going to wreck it. I've wrecked it. Okay. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, maybe for the tissue paper, I will put glue on the card. Yeah, much better. And the tissue paper then on there rather than the other way around. Alright, you live and learn. Okay, so I will see you when you have glued all your confetti. Have fun. Alright, I am now up to my last piece. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna open it up and just pop our, put our pieces on the inside. Now, you can place them where you would like. thinking like a little sort of side burst here of confetti. Something like that. Alright, and then glue those down when you're happy with your layout. So obviously being mindful of where people need to write, but yeah, that gives enough space in the centre of the card to still have the message. There we go. Our confetti card. Hopefully you enjoyed making that, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.